In this video, I show you how to analyze and visualize data directly from Microsoft SQL Server Database using Microsoft Excel without writing any code. Microsoft Excel is the best tool for data analysis and data visualization. We are going to use this sample data as an example for this tutorial. As you see, this is the company's revenue. We will connect our database server to Microsoft Excel. When Microsoft Excel is connected to your database, then you can do whatever you want with the available tables in your database. When you have the data in your Excel sheet, then you can use the available charts and graphs in Microsoft Excel to analyze and visualize your data. This is how you can connect Microsoft Excel to Microsoft SQL Server. First, open Microsoft Excel. Type in the search box Excel. Then click on Open. For now, just blank workbook. Now go to the Data tab. Here, then you have Get Data. Then here you can get data from files. Here you have different types of file, from text, from CSV, from XML, from JSON, from PDF, from folder, and etc. And also you have from database. Then again you have different types of database. You have from Azure, you have from online services, and etc. But we need from database and from SQL Server Database. Click on it. Then here you need to give your server name. You can find the full server name in the properties of your SQL Server Database. In my case, it is the name of my computer or the name of the machine, \SQL Express, advanced options. But for this demo, it is not necessary. Click on OK. For authentication, you can use the available options here. Use my current credentials, use alternate credentials. The current credentials means that when you log into your machine, Microsoft Excel has automatically access to your database. So I choose use my current credentials, connect it. Now here you can see all your databases, and in every database you have tables. So I want this table, company income DB, transform data. Here you also can see the code or the query. This window is the Power Query editor that you can use to do more stuff like filtering and etc. Click on close and load. Click on insert. Now here you have all these charts that you can use to visualize your table. Now select the columns and rows that you want to visualize. You can hold your mouse and then move to select multiple columns and rows. For example, we want to visualize the month, year, and revenue, only these three columns. So when you have selected them, you can choose the type of chart that you want. For example, 2D column. And then we also can change the type of the chart. We can change everything. You can change the chart title, revenue. and then you can select data, month, year, revenue. So let us see, rename it to month, and this is from B2 to B25, so from here to here. Okay, and then in the year C2 C25, the revenue is revenue from D2 to D25, so from here to here. So here we want to select all of them. From B to D25. Okay, now you can see clearly the changes in the company's revenue. Select data from B2 to C25. Okay, only the month and the year. We only want to see the revenue in the chart, in the graph. So the year and the month is not necessary. You see them here below. So click on filter, and then we do need the month and the year. Apply. Now you see only the revenue. This was just about showing you how easy it is to visualize, analyze, view, filter your data directly from your database using Microsoft Excel. That's it, guys. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and being around. Have great times.